Getting started with the Bechele software. The easiest way to have the software prepared is to use a pre-configured Raspberry Pi or Orange Pi image burned onto a SD card. Installing the software by hand using a different microcomputer may work, but be prepared for a tricky installation marathon. If you want to go this way, read the README file provided in the /usr/local/bin/Bechele directory inside your tarball. But still, if you have a system installed from an image, you need to adapt the configuration according to the hardware you want to use. Generally, the file /usr/local/bin/Bechele/modules/config.lpm is the base for further configuration. It is very important to keep in mind that config.lpm is copied to the scene directory the first time you run trackuepl. This is the program to teach servos and relays. This means if you want to do some changes to the configuration, you need to change the settings in the config.lpm of the scene directory. The reason to have the configuration there is to have the possibility to run several different scenes on one system with different settings. If you forget that, you may wonder why your settings changes do not apply, though you did changes. Note: always do changes in the scene directory's config.lpm. In config.lpm, you define what kind of device you want to use. If you want to use a self-made serial or USB stick, if you want to use PCA 9685 PWM devices or network nodes. Also, there you define the servo and joystick parameters. This part is very important and should be done prior to any attempts to see servos working. See therefore the videos How to Servo Calibration, Why Servo Calibration, and How to do Joystick Calibration. This is essential and saves you in the end a lot of time struggling with unnecessary servo problems. To understand configuration options in detail, read also the file readme in /usr/local/bin/Bechele.